Hey, English learners. Welcome back to English You Never Learned.
The podcast where we help you speak English for real life, real conversations, and real confidence. I'm Leo.
And I'm Emma. Today's topic is one of those small skills that suddenly becomes huge when you need it.
Because you can travel for years and never need advanced vocabulary, but one day someone stops you on the street and asks, "Excuse me, how do I get to the subway?" And your brain disappears.
Or you're the one who needs help and you're trying to understand directions, but everything sounds like left, right, straight, corner, block, and you feel lost even more.
So today, we're going to learn how to give directions in English, like a calm local, not like a confused GPS.
We'll practice the most common phrases, the easiest direction sentence patterns, and how to clarify when you're not sure.
And we'll also show you how to sound polite and friendly, because giving directions is about helping someone feel safe.
Before we start, quick favor. If you enjoy the episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who's learning English.
Especially the friend who always says, "I'm great at English, but can't explain where the bathroom is."
Okay, Leo, let's start with the big fear. Why do directions feel so hard for learners?
Because directions are fast. When someone asks for help, the moment feels urgent, and you have to think while you speak.
Yes. And you also need spatial words, words about space and movement.
Exactly. But here's the good news. In real life, directions are repetitive. People use the same phrases again and again.
So if you learn a few patterns, you can handle almost any situation.
Great. Let's start with the basics. The 4 core direction verbs.
Go, turn, keep going, and cross.
Yes. Those 4 will carry you.
Let's build simple sentences with them.
Go straight, turn left, turn right, keep going, cross the street.
And we can add until to make it complete.
Go straight until you see a traffic light.
Keep going until the second stop sign.
Perfect. Now we need where words places you use to guide someone.
Like, corner, intersection, traffic light, crosswalk, bridge, stairs, entrance.
And for cities, block is useful.
Yes, go 2 blocks.
But learners often don't understand block.
A block is the distance between 2 streets in a city grid, like one rectangle of buildings.
Exactly. You can also avoid block and use time. That's very common.
Yes, locals often say, it's about a 5-minute walk.
Or, it's about 10 minutes from here.
That's easier for many learners.
Now, let's teach the polite opening. Because usually, you don't just start talking. You start with kindness.
If someone asks you, you can reply, sure, or of course.
Yeah, no problem.
And if you need a second to think, let me think for a second.
That phrase is gold.
Okay, now we'll give listeners the main direction sentence formula.
Formula. First turn, then landmark, then next turn, then destination.
For example, go straight, then turn left at the traffic light. You'll see the bank on your right. The station is next to it.
Perfect. Simple. Clear.
Now, landmarks are very important because people remember landmarks more than street names.
Yes. Next to the supermarket is easier than on Pine Street.
So common landmarks, bank, pharmacy, supermarket, gas station, park, bridge, school, cafe, hotel.
Now, let's teach prepositions. The small words that show position. Next to, across from, between, in front of, behind, near.
These words make you sound natural.
Let's do quick examples.
The cafe is next to the bookstore.
The bank is across from the park.
It's between the pharmacy and the grocery store.
It's in front of the hotel.
It's behind the museum.
It's near the subway station.
Great. Now, learners also need sequence words to organize directions.
First, then. After that, finally.
Also, when you see is very common.
When you see the big church, turn right.
Or, once you pass the bridge, you'll see it.
Pass means go by it, go beyond it.
Good. Now let's do a realistic role play. I'll be a tourist.
Okay.
Excuse me, do you know how to get to the subway station?
Yeah, of course. Go straight for about 2 minutes, then turn left at the traffic light. Keep going until you see a small park. The station entrance is right next to the park.
That was perfect, short and clear.
And notice I use time, not street names.
Very local.
Now, another common situation. Someone asks for a bathroom.
Very important English.
Yes. The phrase is, "Where's the restroom?" or "Where's the bathroom?"
Restroom is common in the US.
Okay. You answer, "It's right over there."
Over there is a great phrase. You can point and say it.
Or, "It's down the hall on the left."
Hall is hallway, a long corridor.
Down the hall means go along it.
Another phrase, at the end of the hall.
Great.
Now, let's teach some indoor directions. Upstairs, downstairs, elevator, stairs, hallway.
Examples. Take the stairs up to the second floor.
Take the elevator to the third floor.
It's on your left as soon as you get out.
That means when you exit the elevator or stairs, you immediately see it.
Now, let's address the fear. What if you're not sure?
Yes. People think they must be 100% confident.
But locals are not always sure. They just communicate honestly.
Useful phrases, I'm not totally sure, but I think,
"I'm not from around here."
you might want to ask someone else too.
Or, "Let's check on your phone."
That's very modern and helpful.
Another helpful phrase, "I can walk you there."
That's a kind offer, but only if you feel safe and you have time.
Exactly. Safety first.
Now, let's teach how to confirm you understood the question.
You can repeat the destination, the subway station.
Or you mean Central Park?
This helps avoid mistakes.
Also ask, which one? Because sometimes there are multiple.
Which station are you trying to get to?
Great.
Now, learners need a few distance phrases.
It's close. It's not far.
It's a bit far.
It's about a 10-minute walk.
It's about a 5-minute drive.
It's right around the corner.
Around the corner means you turn the corner and it's nearby.
Another phrase, just past.
Like, just past the bank. That means a little beyond it.
Or just before.
Just before the bridge.
Great. Now, we should talk about common learner confusion. Go straight versus keep going.
They're similar. Go straight is like don't turn. Keep going means continue, don't stop.
Both are used a lot. You can mix them.
Another confusion. On the left versus to the left.
Turn left is action. On your left is location. Something is located there.
Example. Turn left at the light. Then, the cafe will be on your left.
Great.
Now, I want to share a personal story. Because directions used to stress me out in my second language.
Tell us.
I was in a new city, and a tourist asked me for directions. I wanted to help, but I froze.
What did you do?
I said something like, go, and then you will see the thing.
The thing.
Yes, I felt embarrassed. But then I did one smart move. I used my hands and pointed.
Gestures help a lot.
And I used landmarks. I said, big church, turn, then park.
Honestly, that works.
The tourist understood and thanked me. And I learned, simple is enough.
That's a perfect lesson for our listeners.
Yes, directions are not a test. They're help.
I have a story too. I once asked for directions in English, and the person spoke very fast.
That happens.
I understood maybe 30%. So I used a polite interruption phrase.
Which one?
Sorry, could you say that again more slowly?
Perfect.
And then I asked, so I turn left at the light, right? I repeated what I understood.
That's a great strategy. Repeat and confirm.
Exactly. It turned confusion into clarity.
Let's teach that strategy clearly.
Strategy. Ask them to slow down, then repeat your understanding as a question.
Phrases. Just to make sure. So you mean, did you say?
Example, just to make sure turn left at the second light.
Great.
Now, we should give listeners a mini toolkit, 10 sentences they can memorize and use everywhere.
Let's do it.
1. Go straight.
2. Turn left or right.
3. It's on your left or right.
4. Go past the town.
5. It's next to.
6. It's across from.
7. It's between.
8. It's about 5 minutes from here.
9. It's right around the corner.
10. Let me think for a second.
If you know these, you can survive.
Now let's practice with a few scenarios so learners hear how it sounds.
Scenario 1. Directions to a cafe.
Sure. Go straight until the traffic light, then turn right. Walk for about 1 minute. The cafe is on your left, next to the pharmacy.
Scenario 2. Directions to a park.
Go straight for 2 blocks. You'll see a big supermarket. Turn left there. The park will be right in front of you.
Scenario 3. Directions to a museum inside a building.
Take the elevator to the 2nd floor. Turn left when you get out. It's at the end of the hallway.
Great. Now, we also need to teach what to say when you're the one asking for directions.
Yes, because learners will use both.
The polite opener, "Excuse me, could you help me?"
Then, how do I get to?
Or, "What's the best way to get to?"
Or is it within walking distance?
That means, "Can I walk there easily?"
Great phrase.
And if you want to confirm, "So, I go straight and then turn left?"
Perfect.
Now, quick pronunciation practice. Learners often struggle with right and light.
Yes. Turn right at the light.
Those words sound similar for many learners.
Practice slowly. Right, light, right.
Also, third is hard.
Yes, 3rd Street. That TH sound.
You can avoid it by saying number 3. Like the third light becomes light number 3.
That's a great hack.
Now, let's end with a simple challenge.
The challenge. This week, practice giving directions out loud for 1 minute.
Use your own neighborhood. Imagine someone asks you how to get to a supermarket near you.
Or a café, a bus stop, a train station.
Say it out loud. Record it if you can.
And try to use landmarks and distance phrases.
You're training your English brain for real life.
And you'll feel less nervous when it happens for real.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English confidently.
And write in the comments, what place do you want to practice directions for? A park? A subway station? A cafe?
This was English You Never Learned with Emma and Leo.
Until next time, keep speaking, stay calm, and don't get lost.
Bye!